Stop wondering if your welds are up to standard. With USQC, you can weld with confidence. At United Safety Quality Council, we get it. Welding isn't just a job, it's a craft. Our premier welding testing services ensure you're not just good, but certified good. Whether you're an individual welder or a large company, USQC has got you covered. We offer a range of welding tests tailored to meet industry standards, so you can showcase your skills with pride. And it's not just about passing a test, it's about elevating your craft. Our expert team provides you with comprehensive feedback, guiding you to perfection. Convenience is key, that's why we offer on-site testing, minimizing downtime and maximizing productivity. Need certification quickly? We've got streamlined processes to get you certified fast. USQC's commitment to quality over quantity means you get the best service every step of the way. We don't just test your welds, we elevate them. Ready to weld with confidence? Visit our website at usqc.us to learn more and schedule your welding test today. With USQC, you're not just certified, you're certified excellent. So what are you waiting for? Discover USQC's premier welding testing services now.